It's Dragon Boat Festival again? My annual showtime. There are a lot of things going on every year for Dragon Boat Festival. So, what's new this year? Why are there so many international friends? Do they celebrate Dragon Boat Festival too? I am so relieved that this old tradition is still passed down in the hands of descendants. I wonder what would be on the minds of these international friends when they race dragon boats. Hey, they're not half bad.
搞错了，再来。
What? You're gonna do it again?
I heard the legend that an ancient man put pupils on the dragon's eye, and dragon became to life. So let me try.
You have done it for many years. If I really came to life, I would scare the daylights out of you.
Okay, friends, let's do our best together.
My eyes, the water is in my eyes. Hey, look for the right direction. Winners or losers, Dragon Boat Racing welcomes you all. Year after year, during Dragon Boat Festival, new sailors stir the waves.